I think virtual reality and all sorts of mixed reality are already and will continue to transform the marketing landscape. Think about what we do as marketers. Our whole goal is to create proximity with our target segments. So what does proximity mean? It means having some intimacy with your customers, either getting closer to them or bringing them closer to you, which means immersion, engagement, the idea that you can actually create situations, whether it's through retail or through the web or through other experiences. How do they experience what you're trying to sell? And we think working with customers like, Cartier or Mercedes-Benz with their human machine, their dashboard, how do you create a deeper connection to your users? And that is what real-time 3D can do, and what virtual reality, or what we like to call mixed reality, because virtual reality was a phase, but that's a very closed. We live in the real verse, as I like to say. And the real verse means a mix of being here together physically as well as a virtual component. And that mixed reality is how you create intimacy and proximity. So I think it's game-changing. If we look at what Amazon and others are doing and how they're testing and experimenting with 3D content, we've experimented with it in our display ads, and we've seen higher engagement, higher click-throughs. It's just much more compelling and immersive. I am Carol Carpenter, CMO of Unity. Catch me on the Marketer of the Month podcast.